In the wild, sometimes it isn't easy to find food. In this case, many animals may eat their family members. But such cruel cannibalism is often the only way for these animals to survive. Let's see together. Number 1. Australian redback spider. Australia, New Zealand, Southeast Asia. Each spider has a pair of venomous glands attached to one of the front hooks. This spider is one of the most venomous spiders, and its venom is 15 times stronger than the venom of a rattlesnake. It is very dangerous to be bitten by this spider, and if its antidote is not injected into the victim immediately, it will cause the victim's death. Red-backed spiders eat cannibals during mating activity. Approximately 2 out of every 3 mating cases result in the complete sacrifice of the male, and those males that are not eaten die shortly after mating due to the severity of the injuries caused by the female spider. We think that eating males by females can have 2 advantages. First, eating females will be delayed for a long time, and as a result, more spawning will occur. Another advantage is that it has been observed that females that have eaten males refuse to accept new males and remain widows. The spider's offspring live in the mother spider webs for several days to a week, eating their weaker siblings. Then, with the help of the wind current and the wind riding mechanism, they are separated from the mother's web and form an independent life. Number 2. Chimpanzees. West and Central Africa. Chimpanzees live in a community and with each other and in a group. This group may include 15 to 150 chimpanzees. Chimpanzees are tree-loving and earth-loving creatures that live equally on the earth and the tree. These animals sometimes eat other children of their kind. In an unusual case in 2017, a few chimpanzees ate their ousted boss. Number 3. Meerkat. South of Africa. Do not approach this small and funny animal. Meerkats spend most of their time hunting for prey with their strong claws, looking for insects, bird eggs, animals, and plant roots. Meerkat has a strong sense of smell and can also see and hear well. They engage in venomous snakes to defend themselves. Females of this species, one of the most predatory predators, eat each other's children. Number 4. The polar bear. The North Pole. Unlike brown bears, polar bears do not build territory. Although extremely savage and violent, they usually prefer to be careful and run away instead of fighting when confronted by an intruder. Polar bears do not usually attack humans if they are full, unless strongly stimulated by humans. The polar bear lives only in the Arctic and spends most of its life on floating ice. It is the largest carnivore on land and the most prominent member of the bear family and is well adapted to the cold of the Arctic Ocean. Polar bears mature 4 to 8 years after birth and acquire the ability to reproduce. Female polar bears can give birth to 1 to 3 babies at a time. These newborn babies live to be 25 to 30 years old. Polar bears generally hunt jaws, but if they do not have access to this food, they start eating each other. It has been seen that this animal hunts other bear cubs when there is a lack of food. Number 5. Crickets. Around the world. Crickets are relatives of locusts, and they can jump several times their body length with the help of their large hind legs. Crickets are usually active at night. Some dig holes and rest in them while the air is clear. Crickets sing like locusts and make a sound, pulling their shoulder teeth like one wing over the thick area of the other wing. Some tropical crickets sing so loudly that their sounds can be heard from a distance of 1.5 kilometers. Most species of crickets eat leaves, but many eat each other during periods of scarcity. Number 6. Palestinian yellow scorpion. North Africa and the Middle East. This scorpion is on the list of very dangerous, poisonous scorpions. The sting of this scorpion in humans is very painful. The scorpion's venom cannot kill an adult, but it can be very dangerous for children and the elderly. Eating any other scorpion that comes its way for this animal is a natural behavior. There are many beautiful, strange, dangerous, and funny animals in nature. Some of them have been identified by humans, but most of these animals are still unknown. What other animals might exist, and we are still unaware of them?